Hi guys, I'm not in my usual place today. I am in my bed. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I can't sleep, so I thought I'd show you something that I got for Christmas. So it's the Experimenter from Lush. It comes in this absolutely amazing packaging. I'm gonna unwrap it. So in here we get all of these. And they're all vegan, it says at the bottom. It's got a little vegan sign. So there are, 10 bath bombs in here, which I'm very happy about. So let me bring that down a bit more. So I'm gonna go through as I open and just say what are my favourites and which ones I've used before, etc. So Ooh. Hashtag Lush time. Right, so you open it up and you've got this little Experimenter booklet, assuming it has, it has all of them in and why they're good for you and all the good stuff. Pop that over there. Right, so where am I going to put all of this? It's just going to go everywhere. Okay, so it looks like the first one we've got in here is the Guardian of the Forest, which looks like this. Immerse yourself in a woodland lagoon dappled with mossy greens and earthy oak moss absolute. So this one, it smells really earthy, it's not my favourite smell in the world, but it definitely is a nice one. Okay. So next up we have, this is actually one of my favourites, as you can tell, it's one of my favourite colours. This is the Twilight Bath Bomb and it's got this gorgeous pattern on it. And this is, I think, it's got lavender, it's really sweet and it's perfect for when you want to have a cozy bath and just chill out and get all sleepy. It says, visions of the night sky filled with dreamy lavender and comforting tonka. That's gotta be one of my favourites. I'll probably say that about every single one that I open and every single one that I tell you about, so we will see. Okay, so next it looks like we have Dragon's Egg. Let me just check. Yeah, Dragon's Egg. No dragons were harmed in the making of this popping candy egg. Popping candy! Oh, that sounds awesome. That is really nice. I love that one. I've never tried one of these ones, so that should be fun. I'm getting all mucky. Okay, so it looks like we've come to a layer of this stuff. So I'm just going to pour it out over there. Make a mess. I can clean it up a bit. Okay. So we've come to a layer. Ooh. Okay, so I've used this one before because I already know what it's called. This is called Sex Bomb. And when you're in your bath, the little, it must be a kind of paper that dissolves, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like sugar paper and it's basically a rose that floats along the top of your bath when the bath bomb's all melted, and it's so cute just to watch it in a really purpley pink bath. So relaxing. Wash away your lonely blues with an aphrodisiac jasmine absolute softening soya milk. It doesn't smell that strong now, but I've used it before and it's Lush. It's really nice. I'm gonna say Lush a lot, I can imagine, during this video. Next we have the most glittery thing in this whole box, I think. It's a bit mad. What's it called? Okay, so we have Think Pink. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at the glitter. Look at the glitter. Holy crap. Holy crap. So this is Think Pink. It says, the reels of fabulous fuchsia foam and strengths of sparkle and softness, banish the black, burn the blue and bury the beige. Which I can imagine would happen with this crazy sparkly ball of goodness. Oh my god. I'm just gonna get glitter everywhere. It's okay. Oh my god, no. Why did I do that? Oh no. Oh my god. That was a really stupid thing to do. So I'm just gonna have a pink stain on my nightie for the rest of this video. Fantastic. I'm gonna get it all over my bed covers. Okay, so what have we got next? Okay, so this looks like we have the Golden Slumbers Bath Bomb. So it looks like this. So I don't know if some of this is like limited to Christmas or whether you can get it all year round, so I didn't actually think about that. There might only be like Christmas boxes. So it says lavender, chamomile, blue and neroli to turn you into a sleeping beauty. Enchanted sleep awaits. So another one to get you to sleep. This seems like a very calming experience already by all the smells, but it's exactly what I need after getting home from work. So on to our last layer of Lush goodies. So we've got itchiness. So we have, this is called Metamorphosis, which is so cool. Oh my god, looks like the Death Star. How cool is that? A symphony of darkness and light, comforting, tranquil aromas of black pepper and myrrh to cleanse and uplift your soul. I love it. I love it so much. I hope it doesn't stain my bath. That's the only thing I could think of with the darker coloured one. Oh. So this is Intergalactic, which is absolutely stunning. It says, this awesome mix will have you hooked on a feeling. Be the guardian of the galaxy as it explodes in your bath. Oh my god. Why does that reminds me of something? It's like quite minty. That's what it is. It's like, oh. Yeah, it's quite, it smells minty. Oh, I love that. I cannot wait to use that because it almost reminds me of the Experimenter in like colour. That's one of my favourite ones to like have in the bath because there's just loads of colours ripple everywhere and it's really entertaining to watch. This is one of my favourite bath bombs, as I've said before in other videos. This one's called Avo Bath. It says fresh nourishing avocado feeds the skin, uplifting lemongrass and bergamot feed the soul. And honestly, I think I have about 5 of these in like a little bowl in my bathroom because I'm so obsessed with them. It's the one that smells really, it smells really sweet and like sherbet, so it's amazing. Honestly, that is one of my favourites, if not the favourite of all time, which is a big statement for a Lush addict. Okay, so this is the final one, which is actually the one I was just talking about, which I was comparing to this one. So this is the Experimenter, so I guess what this whole one is based on, the sort of galaxy crazy colours, and it's one of the coolest looking ones, and it's glittery and it smells gorgeous, and it kind of looks like tie-dye in your bath, so it's just one of my favourites. God, like I said, I'm gonna keep saying that because everything in Lush is just so nice. Oh, I just love it so much. So it says your own bath time motion picture starring vibrant colour, popping candy and comforting vanilla. That's why I like it so much. I love vanilla and popping candy, obviously. Oh, it's just so good. So if I had to recommend any of these out of this one, I would definitely go for Avo Bath and the Experimenter, just because this one's got a bit of a muskier smell to it, so if you prefer that kind of thing, it would probably be nicer than the Avo Bath, because this is really sweet. This is like sherbet up your nose, but times 1,000, because it's so good. I love it. But they, to be fair, I think I just have really sweet taste, because these are both very sweet. There's a lot muskier smells and sort of darker smells, but I really like the fresh, uplifting, sweet smelling bath bombs, just because it's so nice. Anyway, see you in my next video. I've got to go and tidy all of this up. Thank you for watching. I should probably get some sleep, as it's like, it's now 3:16. Okay, good night. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Still got a stain on my top. Ba-ba. I am not going to be able to shut this.